Hello, it's your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. Thank you so much for coming back week after week, month after month, and watching these instructionals. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think, okay? Guys, I'm so excited about this year. I have so much in store for you, so much. I hope you keep up. And especially, I'm so excited about my line dance weekend that's coming, my line dance event that's coming up this year. The NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend in New Orleans, Louisiana, July the 27th through the 30th, 2017. Please visit my website at www.lmiunola.com. I spell out the entire weekend. You can book your hotel. You can register right there online. I am so excited. We have so much planned. So far, we have people coming in from 22 states. So make sure you check that out. Also, guys, instructors, I'm giving you and your crew a shout out. If you want me to give you your shout out, go to my website, hit the contact button, and say, Linda, I want to send you my t-shirt. I'll send you my mailing address, and I'll give you and your crew a shout out. If you are someone you know is in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, this next line dance I got for you is called Carmel Cha-Cha. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. Okay. So it starts with 5 cha-chas. Not 4, but 5. And we're going to start on the left leg first, okay? So on this video, I'm going to teach you in different directions. So let's start here, okay? So you can see my footwork. So you mambo out. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, left, right, left, right, left, back, right, left, right, out, left, right, left. I told you it was going to be 5. So we alternate. Left, right, up left, back right, then end up out left. Okay? Left, right, side to side. Left, right, forward and back. And then ending up out on the left again. Okay? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and out left, right, left, bow right, left, right, up left, right, left, back right, left, right, out left, right, left. Okay, let's do that again one more time. 5, 6, 7, take it out. Left, right, left, out right, left, right, up left, right, left, back right, left, right, out left, right, left. Okay, now, part 2. Let's turn in this direction. So I need you to turn right here because I'm getting ready to make a half turn back. I don't want to do it from this part of the wall because your back will be to, my back will be to you, okay? Your back will be to me, okay? Now, the last step was on the left. So I'm going to shuffle up on my right, pivot left, half turn with my left shoulder going forward. This is how it looks. Right, step, pivot, left, half turn. Okay? So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7. Right foot. Right, step, pivot. And that's a half turn. Okay? So my left heel is up. So I'm going to repeat the same thing I did. But I'm going to do it on the left. So I did right, step, pivot on the left. Now I'm going to do left, step, pivot. Now, when I did my turn, it was a half turn. Right, step, left, pivot. Okay? Half turn with my left shoulder going forward. Now, I'm going to go left, right, pivot, right with my right shoulder going forward. You're back at your wall, the same wall. Okay? It's a 4-wall dance. It moves counterclockwise. Okay? So again, right, left shoulder forward, half turn, left shoulder shuffle, left foot shuffle, left, pivot right with the right shoulder going forward. Okay, half turn back to this wall. So let's put that together back to from the top, out on the left, from the very, very top. 5, 6, 7, out left, right, left, back, right, up, left, right, back, right, right, out left, right, shuffle, right, pivot, turn, left foot, left, pivot, turn. Back at this wall. Okay? Now, my right heel is up. This part here is all about going to the next wall. Okay? So all I'm going to add is step, pivot, that's the right foot, quarter turn with my right shoulder going forward. So that's how I get to my next wall, is on the right, step, pivot. Okay? My heel is out. I'm going to do a triple step. Right, left, right. New wall, I'm back at the top. Last step was on the right, and then I start back over again. Okay? That's the line dance. Okay? So basically from the shuffle, let's go from the shuffle, half turn, shuffle left, half turn, pivot on the right with a triple step, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right, left, right, pivot, half turn, left, pivot, half turn, pivot right, quarter turn, right, right. And you're done. That's the line dance. You back at the top. Last step was on your right. You start all over from the top. Now, we have everything we need to put this line dance together. So, let's go from the very, very top. All you're doing is cha-cha in place. You're right. 5. We're going to do 5. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and out left, right, right, up left, right, back, right, out left, shuffle, right, pivot, half turn, left foot, left, pivot, half turn, pivot again on the right, triple step, right. You're back at the top. Let's put it together again. So this time I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, and out 1, 2, 3, and 4, right, 5, 6, 7, and 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, out left 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. We had our new wall right here. 8 was on the right. We start over. Left, right. I'm not going to do it from this wall because my back will be turned to you. Let's do it again. Slow it down just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Out on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shuffle 5, then 6, turn 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, pivot 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Okay? Now, do it one more time. Calling out footwork. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left. Right, left, right. Up, left, right, left, back, right, right. Out, left, right, shuffle, right, pivot left, right, pivot right, triple, right. All right, that is Carmel Cha-Cha. It's a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. I started here, I'm gonna move to my left, right here. Once you make that first turn, you already know the next wall. You're never gonna go back. You keep going to the new wall, to your left. So when I make my turn, I know I'm not gonna go back here because this is where I started. Okay? It moves to your left. This is my wall here. Once I make that first turn, I already know it's gonna be the next wall. Quarter turn to my left, here. When I make that turn, the next wall, quarter turn, here. When I make that turn again, I'm back here. Full wall dance, moving counterclockwise. The name of that line dance is Carmel Cha-Cha. What I would like you to do is go and watch Let's Mess It Up, do it. Come back, pull up the video, and put the steps together. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Tell your family and friends about this channel. Make sure you subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.